How to set app permissions in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Select Settings. In the Settings app, click on the Privacy and Security tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the App Permissions section. Here you will see a list of permissions like camera, microphone, location, and many more. Click on any permission to manage which apps have access to it. You'll see a list of apps that have requested access. Toggle the switch next to each app to allow or deny access. For example, if you don't want an app to use your microphone, simply toggle off the switch next to it. You can also set app permission from App section. Click on the Apps tab on the left hand side. Click on Installed Apps. Select an app, then click on the three-dot icon. Then click on Advanced option. Look for App Permission section. You can turn on any permission you want. And that's how you can set app permissions in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.